3. Bedtime vitamins for stronger legs. After 60, do your legs ever feel weak or heavy when you wake up at night? Have you noticed more cramps, stiffness, or even little trips when you try to walk in the dark? Many seniors think this is just normal aging, but the truth is often much simpler. It's a sign your muscles and nerves aren't getting the right nutrients before bedtime. After 60, your body loses muscle faster, your nerves repair more slowly, and calcium doesn't always go where it should. The result is legs that feel shaky, restless, or painful, especially at night when your body should be repairing itself. But here's the good news. Science now shows that certain vitamins taken in the evening can actually help your muscles rebuild while you sleep, calm inflammation, and even improve coordination so you wake up steadier and stronger. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 3 of the most powerful bedtime vitamins for stronger legs after 60, plus one bonus nutrient that almost nobody talks about but can make a huge difference. These aren't expensive supplements or gimmicks. They're backed by solid research and have been life-changing for many of my patients. Make sure you stay with me until the very end, because the bonus nutrient is the one I personally recommend most often to seniors who struggle with cramps and restless legs at night. I'm Dr. Sam, and for over 30 years, I've been helping older adults stay independent, mobile, and pain-free through simple nutrition and lifestyle changes. If you're new here, welcome to Dr. Sam's Senior Health Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another life-saving tip made especially for seniors. And now, let's start with the first bedtime vitamin that has been called the sunshine repair signal for your muscles, vitamin D3. Number 3, vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is often called the sunshine vitamin, but after 60, it becomes far more than that. At night, vitamin D3 acts like your repair signal for your muscles and bones. Without enough of it, your body can't properly absorb calcium, your muscles struggle to contract and relax, and inflammation quietly eats away at your strength. That's why low vitamin D3 is one of the hidden reasons so many seniors wake up with cramps, leg weakness, or balance problems. The science is clear. A 2011 study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that seniors with low vitamin D levels had significantly reduced muscle strength and slower walking speed. Another journal of the American Geriatric Society, 2015, showed that vitamin D supplementation improved muscle function and reduced fall risk in adults over 70. These aren't just numbers, they're life-changing results. I'll never forget one patient, Mrs. L., a 68-year-old grandmother, who came to me complaining of severe night cramps in her calves. Her blood test revealed very low vitamin D. We started her on 1,000 IU of vitamin D3 with dinner, along with more salmon and fortified milk in her diet. Within 3 now, you might ask, where can seniors actually get vitamin D3 from food? Some of the richest natural sources are fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, cod liver oil, egg yolks, and fortified foods like milk, plant-based milks, or cereals. The challenge is that diet alone rarely provides enough, especially since aging skin is less efficient at making vitamin D from sunlight. That's why most experts recommend combining food sources with a supplement of about 800 to 1,000 IU daily. Taken in the evening, UI vitamin D3 lays the foundation by helping your muscles rebuild and calming inflammation. But it works even better when it has a partner that directs calcium into your bones and keeps it out of your arteries. That partner is the next bedtime vitamin on our list, vitamin K2 MK7. Number 2, vitamin K2 MK7, the calcium traffic director. If vitamin D3 is the builder, then vitamin K2 is the traffic director. After 60, many seniors have plenty of calcium in their diet or even take supplements. But here's the problem. Without vitamin K2, much of that calcium ends up in the wrong places, in your arteries, kidneys, or joints, instead of strengthening your bones and muscles. That's why so many older adults struggle with both stiff arteries and fragile bones at the same time. Vitamin K2, especially in the MK7 form, activates special proteins that guide calcium into your bones and away from soft tissues. It also plays a unique role in muscle gene expression, helping your muscle fibers stay strong and contract efficiently. In other words, it doesn't just keep your skeleton firm, it actually improves the way your legs move and support you. The science backs this up. A 2013 study in Osteoporosis International found that seniors who took vitamin K2 had better bone density and lower fracture rates than those who didn't. Another trial from the Journal of Nutrition 2017 showed that MK7 supplementation improved arterial flexibility in older women, reducing stiffness by nearly 15% in just 3 months. That means better circulation, fewer cramps, and more oxygen reaching your muscles at night. I remember Mr. Harris, a 70-year-old retired builder who came to me with leg stiffness and high blood pressure despite taking calcium tablet for years. His scans showed calcium deposits in his arteries. We switched him from plain calcium supplements to a combination of vitamin D3 and K2, MK7. Within 6 months, his stiffness eased, his circulation improved, and his bone density actually increased at his annual checkup. Practical advice: the best form for seniors is vitamin K2 in the MK7 form, usually at doses of 90 to 180 mcg per day. You can find K2 naturally in fermented foods like natto, fermented soybeans, aged cheeses, and sauerkraut. But for most people, a supplement ensures consistent intake. Taken in the evening alongside vitamin D3, it helps direct calcium exactly where it belongs, into your bones and muscles, while protecting your arteries. So while vitamin D3 provides the building materials, vitamin K2 makes sure those materials are delivered to the right place. Together, they form the ultimate nighttime duo for stronger legs. But your muscles also rely on something else: healthy nerves to control them. And that brings us to the third bedtime vitamin, vitamin B12. Number 1, vitamin B12, the nerve repair. Vitamin. If vitamin D3 rebuilds your muscles and vitamin K2 directs calcium into your bones, then vitamin B12 is the nutrient that keeps the electrical wiring of your legs working smoothly. After 60, absorption of B12 drops sharply because the stomach produces less acid, and many seniors take medications like antacids or metformin that block absorption even further. The result is that the nerves in your legs and feet don't get the support they need, leading to numbness, tingling, balance problems, and even falls. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining the myelin sheath, the protective coating around nerves that ensures signals from your brain reach your muscles quickly and clearly. Without it, your legs may feel clumsy or weak, not because the muscles are gone, but because the wires controlling them are frayed. The science is compelling. A 2010 study in neurology found that older adults with low B12 levels had significantly more brain shrinkage and worse memory performance. Another large analysis in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2013, showed that seniors deficient in B12 were twice as likely to experience balance problems and impaired walking speed. These aren't just numbers, they translate into real risks of falls, fractures, and loss of independence. I recall Mrs. Anderson, a 72-year-old patient who came in with constant tingling in her feet and frequent stumbling at night. Her blood work revealed low B12. We started her on a daily 1,000 mcg methylcobalamin lozenge. Within 3 months, the tingling eased, and she proudly told me she could finally walk around her garden in the evening without worrying about tripping. For seniors, the best approach is to aim for 500 1,000 mcg of vitamin B12 daily, ideally in the form of methylcobalamin or cyanocobalamin. Sublingual tablets or sprays work best because they bypass the stomach, ensuring absorption even when digestion is weaker. Natural food sources of vitamin B12 include fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, and trout, meats such as beef liver, chicken, and turkey, dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, eggs, and fortified foods such as cereals, plant-based milks, and nutritional yeast. But here's the challenge. After 60, even if you eat these foods, your body may not absorb enough, which is why supplementation is often necessary. So while vitamin D3 and K2 strengthen your muscles and bones, vitamin B12 keeps the wiring sharp, ensuring your legs respond quickly and confidently. And yet, there is still one more nutrient, often overlooked, that can make the difference between a night of cramps and a night of deep restorative sleep. That's our bonus bedtime mineral, magnesium glycinate. Magnesium glycinate, the nighttime relaxer. While vitamin D3, K2, and B12 build the foundation of strong muscles, bones, and nerves, there's one more nutrient that works quietly in the background to make sure your legs can actually rest and recover at night: magnesium, especially in the glycinate form. Magnesium is involved in more than 300 reactions in the body, but for seniors, its most important role is helping muscles contract and then fully relax. Without enough, you may experience restless legs, painful cramps, or that constant urge to move your feet just as you're trying to fall asleep. The evidence is strong. A 2012 study in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences showed that magnesium supplementation significantly improved sleep quality and reduced nighttime leg cramps in older adults. Another report in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2013, found that higher magnesium intake was associated with better muscle performance and lower risk of falls in seniors. This is why so many doctors now recommend magnesium in the evening. Not only does it calm the nervous system, but it also helps you get deeper, more restorative sleep while reducing the risk of painful spasms. I remember Mr. Patel, a 69-year-old patient who dreaded bedtime because his legs would cramp almost every night. He had already tried stretching, hydration, even different pillows, but nothing worked. When we added 200 microliters of magnesium glycinate in the evening, the difference was remarkable. Within just a few weeks, his cramps were gone, his sleep improved, and he told me, "Hi, doctor, I finally look forward to bedtime instead of fearing it." Practical advice. The glycinate form of magnesium is the most gentle on the stomach and the best absorbed. Seniors can safely aim for 200 400 milliliters at night, ideally after dinner. Food sources include leafy greens like spinach and kale, nuts and seeds such as almonds and pumpkin seeds, legumes, and whole grains. But supplementation is often necessary because modern diets and aging digestion make it hard to get enough through food alone. Taken at night, magnesium glycinate acts like a natural relaxer for your legs, calming muscles, soothing nerves, and setting the stage for a deeper, more restorative sleep. When combined with vitamin D3, K2, and B12, it completes the picture. giving your body the tools it needs to repair, strengthen, and protect your legs every single night. So here's the bottom line. After 60, your legs don't just need exercise. They need the right nutrients while you sleep to rebuild, repair, and stay strong. Vitamin D3 acts like the builder, switching on muscle repair and calming hidden inflammation. Vitamin K2, MK7, is the traffic director, guiding calcium safely into your bones while protecting your arteries from stiffness. Vitamin B12 keeps the wiring sharp, repairing nerves so your muscles respond quickly and your balance stays steady. And finally, magnesium glycinate is the nighttime relaxer, soothing cramps, calming restless legs, and helping you get the deep, restorative sleep your body craves. When you bring these four nutrients together at bedtime, you give your legs a powerful overnight recovery system. Instead of waking up stiff, cramping, or unsteady, you wake up refreshed, stronger, and ready to move with confidence. I've seen this transformation again and again in my patients. Seniors who once struggled with fatigue and leg weakness, discovering they can climb stairs, garden, or walk with their grandchildren again, simply by correcting the nutrients their bodies were missing. Practical plan: take vitamin D3 and K2, MK7, with your evening meal. Add a B12 lozenge or spray in the morning or evening, depending on preference. And finish your day with 200 or 400 milliliters of magnesium glycinate before bed. Combine these with a balanced diet rich in fish, leafy greens, eggs, legumes, and fortified foods, and you'll give your muscles, bones, and nerves the best chance to stay strong well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Remember this: aging may be inevitable, but weakness doesn't have to be. Every night is an opportunity. You can either let your muscles and nerves continue to break down, or you can feed them the exact nutrients they need to rebuild. The choice is yours, and the payoff is your independence, your confidence, and your ability to keep moving freely. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these four nutrients are already part of your routine, and which one will you start adding tonight? Share your story in the comments. It may inspire someone else to take the first step towards stronger legs. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Dr. Sam's Senior Health Tips, and turn on the bell so you never miss another science-backed health tip designed just for seniors. Here's to calmer nights, stronger mornings, and legs that carry you with confidence.